Meet Napoleon's ElevationX electric fireplace. Unmatched realism, zero emissions, and the ambiance of a real fire with no sacrifices. With an LCD rear panel and multi-layered flame technology, the ElevationX Electric creates incredible depth, completely redefining what's possible in an electric fireplace. Choose from gas or wood flames, captured directly from the gas version of this model for unparalleled authenticity. Built-in speakers create an immersive experience with the cozy sounds of a real fire. The included glowing split oak log set and woodland kit add a touch of nature to enhance the realism even more. Optional decorative bricks on the LCD screen add to the fire's backdrop. Control your fireplace your way with the included remote, mobile app, or optional wall mount control. With the Napoleon Home app, customize your fireplace with a multitude of ember bed and top light combinations right from your mobile device. The ElevationX Electrics can integrate with your smart home system, allowing you to control your fireplace with simple voice commands, adding even more ease and convenience to your home experience. From energy saving to heat boosting, ElevationX adapts to your comfort and sustainability needs. Enjoy the ambiance of a traditional fire without the hassle. No chimneys or venting required for a quick, stress-free install. The adjustable finishing flange allows for clean installations, or choose the optional trim kit to accommodate various finishing materials. Plus, enjoy flexible power options with a choice to plug in or hardwire. The ElevationX Electric shares the same rough framing as our Elevation Gas series, giving you the flexibility to start your project now and decide which fuel type suits your needs best later. The Napoleon ElevationX Electric redefines innovation, sustainability, and true-to-life ambiance in electric fireplaces.